बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। रब्बि इश्रह ली सदरी वयस्सिर ली अमरी वहलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली। रब्बे ज़िदनी इल्मा। Students, you have already learned about voluntary and involuntary muscles. Today we will revise our topic, voluntary and involuntary muscles. First of all, we have voluntary muscles. This means that they can move when you want them to move. You can control what they do. They help to make movement possible. They work with your bones to give your body strength and stability. As you know, we have three types of muscles in our body: cardiac muscles, skeletal muscles, and smooth muscles. Only in one type of muscle, that is skeletal muscles, the voluntary muscles are voluntary, means we can move them according to our wish. In our skeletal system, voluntary muscles are found, and you can know very well. In our arm, we can move our arm up, right, left or right side when we want to move it any of these sides. Means they are under our control. But students, these are voluntary functions are controlled by the central part of the brain, which is known as cerebrum, which is the largest part of the brain that controls the voluntary muscles. Students, voluntary muscles are controlled by when we want to move our any part of skeletal system. That part provide messages from spinal cord to brain, and brain give back order to that muscle to move. In this way, we can move all of the skeletal muscles. Next type of muscles are involuntary muscles. Involuntary muscles perform their jobs without you even thinking about it. They keep doing their work automatically. If they need your instruction, just imagine what could happen if you ate something and forgot to instruct your stomach to digest it. Students, these type of muscles are found in smooth and cardiac muscles. In smooth, we have hollow organs like liver, stomach, kidneys. You can check these all muscles keep moving automatically. They keep their jobs automatically. We don't give them order to performing their job. In bladder, it is also an hollow organ. It also is a smooth muscle and have involuntary muscles, mean it perform its job automatically. And in cardiac muscles, means in heart, we also have involuntary muscles. Our heart beat automatically and keep doing its job continuously. Students, these involuntary muscles are controlled by the stem of brain, where we have written here pons, that is the stem of brain, and it controls all the involuntary muscles. Students, hope you will learn all about voluntary and involuntary muscles. Now you will write the answer of question number 4 at your page number 10. Inshallah, we will meet in our next lecture. Till then, take care of yourself and Allah Hafiz.